Hello and welcome to the coverage of the Cannes Film Festival here on Prudent Media. Well, I'm standing in front of the Bharat Pavilion, but unfortunately this year there is no new Indian film at the Cannes Film Festival. There is a restored version of John Abraham's Malayalam film which was made in 1986, Amma Again, and there is Mehak Malhotra's film in the last minute section which is only meant for film school. And hopefully we'll also see Neeraj Gaiwan, who made Homebound last time, which was in the uncertain regard and came close to being nominated for an Oscar. We will see him at major festivals in the years to come. On the other hand, we don't have directors of the same caliber, or they may be, but they are not present at Cannes. We of course have Payal Kapadia, who's been a regular at Cannes now. Her short film was at Cannes, then her feature film, of course, All We Imagine As Light, which was in the competition and went on to win the Grand Prix. In 2025, she was a jury in the main competition, and this time she is a chairperson of the jury for the Critics Week. So Payal Kapadia is keeping India's flag flying high at Cannes. Well, it's not that India is not making good film, but the fact of the matter is that there is no film here at the festival. Now, on the other hand, you take a country like Japan, which is relatively a tiny country. There are 3 Japanese films in the competition itself. And there are of course big names. We are talking about Hirokazu Kurita, who's a Palme d'Or winner. His new film is in the competition this time. There is Ryusuke Hamaguchi, whose 2021 breakout film Drive My Car premiered at Cannes and then of course went on to win the Oscar. And there is Nagi Notes also, which is in the competition section this time. And speaking of films that are being screened here at Cannes this time, well, one of the best films I saw on the first day was a film which has a very interesting title. It's called Teenage Sex and Death at Camp Maisuna, which is directed by Jane Cholmun, who is an American filmmaker. Well, it's a wacky horror comedy of sorts. Now, we know that that genre is quite saturated, but yet the director manages to infuse some kind of life into the script by making it absolutely absurdist at some point. Well, there is lots of gore in the film, of the funny variety, if that makes sense. There is very little sex, but it's a very cleverly and smartly written script. Well, it's due for release in India, but I'm sure it'll have a tough time getting past through the censors. Well, there are lots of films happening and it's time for me to catch the next one. And I'll be back with you tomorrow to tell you more about what's happening at the Cannes Film Festival. Till then, it's goodbye from me.